Is this the best value hotel in Chiang Mai? I'm staying here at Lanna Hotel. It's cost me just $16 a night and we're just on the outskirts of the old square. So I'll give you a room tour and you can let me know what you think. Right, here we go. Room tour. Okay, first impressions, I'm liking the look of it. Okay, so we have a massive space here to hang your clothes, put your bag, put your shoes away. Very nice lighting, some extra storage above, loads of hangers. And just on the right here, we have a nice little stool. So 2 glasses, a hairdryer with plug behind it, so that's really handy. Some tissues. So yeah, this could be a nice little spot to do some remote work, but there is another desk over there, so I'll show you that in a second. So a nice big mirror with some little hangers on the top. So yeah, ideal. So let's go into the bathroom. God's sake. Right, yeah, I really like the look of it. It looks nice and clean, nice and modern. So let's test the pressure of the shower. That's ideal, that does the job, so more than happy with that. Whilst we're testing pressures, let's have a go at the bum squirter. Okay, so maybe be a little bit careful with that. I've had a lot stronger, but it's still on the strong side. We've got some conditioner, shampoo, and some body wash, so that's always a nice little bonus. Decent size mirror. Yeah, obviously there's not a load to show you in here, but as you can see, it does the job, it serves its purpose. And again, for the price we're paying, I'm more than happy with this. So let's continue into the bedroom. Right, I absolutely love this already. I mean, look at this. There's an elephant towel on the bed. How cool is that? I've not had this so far, so I'm really chuffed with this. So 10 out of 10 there for the decoration. Okay, we've got the air conditioning, which already feels nice and cool in here because it's already on. So there's the remote. We have some lights here. So there we go, nice and bright. Okay, so a pretty decent sized TV. It doesn't appear to be a smart TV, but it's still a nice little bonus. Sometimes you get some movie channels on there, so that's quite handy. A phone to reception, so that's nice. And we have some plugs by the side of the bed. Oh, and a nice little light to make it all cozy, so that's brilliant. We have a little bin there. Again, they always come in handy. And we have a fridge. Have we got anything in the fridge? Perfect. So some complimentary water, always a bonus. Okay, so we have some cups, a kettle, 2 glasses, and obviously the TV remote. So I'm really happy with this so far. So, and it's, tell you what, it's a nice big spacious room. I was not expecting it to be as big as this when I booked it. So really happy. So let's give you a view on the other side. Again, look how much space I've got. This is crazy. I was not expecting it to be this big. I mean, I've got a sofa, and I tell you what, I like the pillows. It's definitely rolling with the elephant theme still. So really like the pillows. Nice, I tell you, it's just a nice bonus, isn't it? Just to have the sofa, somewhere to plonk yourself down if you just want to relax off of the bed. So we have another desk, which is a lot bigger actually, so I would recommend using this one. This is a great little spot to do some remote work. So we'll test the Wi-Fi, and what I'll do is I'll put the Wi-Fi up on the screen for you. Okay, don't know what's going on with me today. Okay, so we have a massive curtain here, so let's have a look at our view. Oh, we've got a balcony, a sort of balcony, because I'm on the ground floor. Look at that, happy days. Okay, so I wasn't expecting that. Somewhere to hang your clothes. We've got a little sink outside, so that's a bit unusual. But tell you what, I'll bring you closer so you can see it. Right, so let's have a little look. I tell you what, we've got a little mosquito net there as well, so that's quite handy if you want to keep it open and let some heat in. But again, it's massive. Was not expecting a balcony that big. And again, you've got parking just outside, so ideal if you have a scooter, you can keep an eye on that. So I have come inside because there's people still outside, and I don't want to be talking whilst they're watching me. But yeah, super happy with that. A great little space to dry your towel or your swimming shorts and stuff like that if they're a bit wet from the day out. So let's give you the bed test. Okay, so decent sized bed. Again, I'm just so happy with the little elephant, that's brilliant. So let's get on the bed. Oh, okay. Okay, we're a bit firm, but if you've watched any of my previous videos, you know that I do like a firm bed. Okay, the pillows are quite good. Oh, I tell you what, I mean, I like a firm bed, so might not be for everyone. Again, the elephant theme, love it. Oh, let's have a lie down. Oh, that is, I tell you what, that is almost spot on for me. Let me get myself in. Let me have a go. Oh, I tell you what, that could be the one. That could be. Oh, I tell you what, we're close to perfect there. We are definitely. Okay, so rating: 0 being a cloud and 10 being concrete. I reckon we're at. Oh, I tell you what, I like that. I'm going to go an 8 out of 10. That's almost perfect for me. So really happy with the firmness of the bed, and even happier with my elephant towel. Love it. Right, so yeah, that pretty much sums up the room tour. But what I'll do is I'll get out today and I'll do my bit. I'll go and do a bit of explore and enjoy the area. And tomorrow I'll give you an update on how I've slept and anything worth sort of noting for the area and any little tips I can give you. So yeah, we'll see you in the morning. Good morning, and I mean good morning. This mattress is brilliant. It's not too hard and it's not too soft. So for me, it's perfect. For some people, it might err on the side of a little bit too firm, but again, everybody's different. The air conditioning did its job last night, kept me nice and cool, so 0 complaints there. The Wi-Fi speeds were great. Again, I had no interruptions with that, so that's another little bonus. The shower, spot on, nice pressure, nice and hot. Again, just a great budget stay. When I'm booking these sort of places, this is all I want, is a nice bed, decent shower, and just nice and clean. And this offers everything and more, in my opinion, than what I was expecting. So went for a little walk this morning. Just around the corner there's a big 7-Eleven, so I grabbed a couple of snacks for breakfast. But when I came back, I did notice that they do free tea and coffee, so that's a lovely little extra, and you can sit out front and enjoy that. They also have like a microwave and a few other things you can use, so that's a nice little bonus. And the woman on reception is so lovely as well. So yeah, all these little things add up to making the stay that little bit nicer. Another thing before I forget is I was able to check in, I think like 3 or 4 hours early, because I came here quite early. A lot of the time I'll just leave my bag, I'll go off and explore and I'll come back. But again, it's always a bonus when the room's available and they let you just come in, because not everywhere does that. So that is something worth mentioning. So I got the room super early, so that was great. So yeah, let's just jump straight into the rating. Factoring everything in with this place: location, the hotel itself, the staff's friendliness, and just the cleanliness of the room and everything included, I am going to go a 9 out of 10. I really would stay here again, 100%. It's absolutely brilliant. It's everything I want in a stay and more, to be fair. So that's where I'm at with this rating. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you about some things to do within the area, because the location not being in the square means that we are closer to some other things that are really, really interesting actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you where I went yesterday and give you some tips on things to do. And yeah, I think you're really going to enjoy seeing them. So let's talk about things to do. Right, I thought what better place to do the things to do segment than my miniature sofa. So let's begin. So I had a 10 out of 10 day yesterday. It's literally my perfect kind of day. So I've rented a bike for a month, so do stay tuned, because I will be driving around Thailand in very random places and showing you some more very interesting stays. But yeah, let's get into it. So the first place I went was this temple, and oh my god, wow. It's outside of the main square, so it's really, really quiet, and it's really, really beautiful. It's just absolutely 10 out of 10, and there's hardly any tourists there, which is a nice little bonus. And I would highly recommend at least half an hour there. Just enjoy the sights, and there's about 4 or 5 different temples within the complex. But again, I'm going to put the videos over this so you can check it out, and I'll link the name of the temple. So from me, that's not very far. That was about 10 minutes away. So yeah, 100% recommend going to visit that. So from there, I made my way to this museum that I picked out. On the way, I stopped and I got some local food at a local restaurant, which was great. But this museum is really interesting. Okay, so it's about different ethnic people living in Thailand and where they came from. It's really cool actually, and they've got like some really cool sculptures within it, and it explains it quite well and tells you all about them. But when I walked in, the staff jumped up. They obviously don't get too many foreign tourists in there, and they wanted a photo of me. I presume for the wall or the website or something like that, they said. And of course I just agreed, and I said yeah, no problem. And the photo that they got was just absolutely shocking. So I'll show you that now, and I'll overlay it. But yeah, I'll give you a quick video of the place and a couple of snippets. I'd recommend an hour there. You could do longer actually if you really did read everything, but yeah, and it's free to do. So that's a nice little bonus. I just left a little donation as I left, but again, you don't have to if you don't want to. So from there, I picked out a park. I just thought, you know what, I fancy a little walk around the park, and I just looked at the maps and picked out this random park. So I made my way there on the bike, and as I drove in, I had to pay 50 baht. I thought, what am I paying 50 baht for? It's just like, I thought it was just a bit of a lake I could drive around. But I'm glad I did, because I went in and it had all of these like wooden huts around the lake, super beautiful. The view was just incredible. And I got a drink and I just sat there and enjoyed that for about half an hour, and it was so relaxing. I'll show you the clips of that, and again the name of the park. So then I decided to drive around the park. So many dogs, absolutely stunning views, and yeah, brilliant. So many locals, not so many locals actually, there's hardly anyone there, it's so quiet, but locals just scattered around fishing and just having picnics, and it's so relaxing. You'll get the feel from it from the videos that I've taken. Anyway, I got to the far top of the park, and it had all these weird sculptures. So I was like, oh, again, this is Thailand, so you do come across some very unusual things. And I got a few videos of that for you, and yeah, it was cool. It was cool to see actually. So yeah, some like gorillas and elephants and random stuff. So after that, I spotted there was a sheep farm just down the road. We're talking like 2 minutes from like the lake. So I thought I'll have a look. So that was quite cool to see the sheep. So after that, I thought, you know what, I've had a great little day out. I want to come back, and I'm just going to get myself ready for a night market. So set off, and I thought I'll go to a different night market than my favourite one. I'll have to link it where it is. I can't remember if it was like northeast, southwest of the central gate, but it was okay. It didn't blow me away really. It was a little bit more expensive than the other one, and the food was just it was just all right. So after that, I went and had a second pad thai at my favourite market. So it's not all bad. But anyway, as I was driving around, I spotted this park on the left hand side of the old square. So I pulled up, and again, 10 out of 10, absolutely brilliant. Super glad I stopped. I've got some videos of that for you, and I'll link the name of the park. But just all round, just such an amazing day. And again, this is why I love Chiang Mai. It's just so beautiful. The people are so friendly, and it's just such a chilled way of life. It really, you come here and you just instantly feel relaxed. So yeah, and then that was it. That's the day wrapped really. So I will end the video there, because I end up just rambling on for too long. But if you enjoyed this video, please drop me a like and a subscribe. And also I've started putting the links to the accommodations in the description. So if you do want to check this place out, then feel free. But yeah, hopefully I see you in the next video. If not, thank you for watching.